2012 Ford F-150. It's got the 5.0 XLT motor, Coyote motor, same as the Mustangs. It's got stock cats, still on it. Then it's got a resonator. We left the resonator on it, and then we straight piped it out the back, 3-inch to 2 1/4, with 2 1/4 tailpipes into 3-inch tips, right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Here it is right there.
Oh, hell yeah.
Perfect.
I like that. Yeah, boy. Y'all made me happy today. I gotta go there. Hey, I'm trying to get my license, man. They want to come on out, so I ordered my Craigslist.
Get them off eBay.
eBay?
Yeah, they'll be like $100, and you can get them on LEDs.
That's what I want.
Yeah.
Is that eBay?
Yeah. Yours is the one with the J on it. For jumbo. Eat first.
Take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?